everyone. It's so wonderful to be here with you all today. My name is Chris Aswad, and I'm a senior product consultant here with Monday.com. I've been with Monday for almost 5 years as we've grown from project and task management all the way into a full-blown work operating system. And I'm very excited to have the opportunity to share more about what has become my favorite product here, Monday Dev. And first, we're going to get a little boilerplate out of the way for you all. You've seen it before. But we're going to get the show on the road pretty quick. So 2 years ago, we introduced Monday Dev with a bold promise to give product and engineering teams a system that they love to use. Not another tracker and not another dashboard. A space where builders build, leaders lead, and everyone stays aligned. What began as a vision for better execution has grown into something much bigger. Today, Monday Dev is the foundation for how some of the world's most innovative companies plan, track, and ship incredible products. And the momentum is undeniable. Over the past year alone, Monday Dev has grown 70% year over year, helping teams in more than 30 countries and 60 industries build faster and stay aligned. From early-stage startups to Fortune 500 giants, companies are choosing Monday Dev to transform how they work. Companies like Vistra, a leading Fortune 500 energy producer and retailer. Vistra wanted to speed up their time to market, but the feature request process was broken. Requests were coming in from everywhere: emails, chats, spreadsheets. No standard process, no clear priorities. Stakeholders had no visibility into the work being done, and engineers misunderstood the business's needs. Teams were spending hours on manual updates, and delivery was delayed time and time again. But then the team moved to Monday Dev. Now, requests and context flow into a single board. Managers approve, developers build with clarity, and the whole business can track progress in real time. The result? Vistra was able to speed up their feature delivery by 28%. That's huge. They were also able to ensure that every move that they made was driving the business forward. That is the power of visibility and alignment. And Vistra isn't alone. That is the kind of transformation that we are seeing again and again, especially now in 2025, when software development has completely changed. AI has transformed the way all teams work. And at first, it was for small things. Snippets of code here, quick fixes there, but suddenly it was so much more. AI was doing our research. It was testing and debugging for us, monitoring and even deploying our apps. AI can even build an entire application for you, top to bottom. Developers are able to do in minutes what used to take weeks, and that simply changes the game. But here's the catch. As a beloved comic legend once told me, or told us, and I've pretty much heard every developer quote, "With great AI power comes great responsibility." But responsibility for what exactly? Not writing more code, not just moving faster, but making sure that every single line of code is moving the business forward. So in a world where execution is no longer the barrier, the question really starts to become, how do you ensure that you're building what really matters? To win in this new era, businesses can't just engineer with speed. They need to engineer for business impact. And that is the power of Monday Dev, always evolving to keep you ahead. The new Monday Dev is AI-powered, connected to the business, and built to turn velocity directly into business value. Builders, leaders, and the whole go-to-market org, we have always had your back here at Monday. But now we're going to equip you with even more. For developers, this means frictionless AI-powered execution enriched with context. With Monday Dev, they know why a task matters, who it impacts, and how it connects, so that they have everything they need to ship with precision and with speed. Managers will own outcomes, not just outputs. With Monday Dev, they finally see the full picture. What's in progress, what's at risk, and what actually aligns to our business goals. They plan smarter, unblock faster, and keep delivery on track. And for our cross-functional teams, Sales, marketing, they all develop or depend on R&D too. But too often they're left waiting or guessing or chasing for updates. Monday Dev gives them live visibility into what's coming, when, and why, so that they can serve customers confidently and close the loop. The result? Development isn't just moving, it's moving in the right direction. Every commit, every feature, every sprint, all tied directly to customer value and business impact. But enough of me telling you about this bold, brave new world. Let me show you how this is going to actually look for our devs, our managers, and all those cross-functional teams in between. And we're going to start with our developer, Jake, and see how Monday Dev helps him to execute faster and more accurately with AI. Hey, Jake. Jake's world looks very different today. With Monday Dev, AI tools like Cursor, GitHub, and Copilot, even more, are able to plug seamlessly into his workflow. Everything he needs to ship fast, accurate code is right at his fingertips. But let's make this a little bit more real with an example. Say we're building a rewards app. And you might ask me, Chris, why are we building this rewards app? It's because developers deserve rewards too, even before debugging. With Monday Dev, Jake is able to see every piece of his tasks. Before, it started with a vague ticket. He'd have to chase context, hunt for info across scattered teams and tools. But with Dev, those task briefs are effortless. A PM drops the reward app into a doc, and in plain language, he's able to then hit task breakdown and have AI instantly turn it into an actionable plan with clear objectives, suggested owners, timelines, and dependencies. Now, every task starts with clarity and not confusion. And task context used to be Jake's biggest blocker. But now when he opens a task, all of the info is right there. Why it mattered, what code it touches, and who even worked on it last. He can also see the PRD and any related docs through our brand new Monday Knowledge, a new central hub to share documentation with the team. No tool switching, no digging for context, just the clarity Jake needs to get the job done. And the real AI magic? Well, that comes next, because the AI agents have entered the chat. Now Jake can tackle any task with powerful AI agents seamlessly built into his workflow. He just picks a task, assigns it to Cursor, and all the context, from code history to team discussions, flows straight to the agent. The result? Faster, more accurate code. With Monday Dev, the AI executes, and developers stay in control. And it's not just the developers who get to have fun with the agents. Now you all can too. Take our go-to-market teams. Before, when marketing needed a button change, an image swap, or even a new component, it landed in Jake's backlog, which, if we're being honest, was a bit of a black hole. Today, you can just trigger an agent, and AI does all the work for you. Jake pops in, reviews it, and approves it. Tasks get done faster, while developers stay focused on the strategic work that matters most. This is the new world of engineering, and this is AI-powered execution with Monday Dev. In this new era, developers and AI work side by side, and productivity is soaring. But managers face a new challenge with that, staying in control without slowing the team down. That's where Monday Dev steps in once again, giving leaders clarity and control to ship what matters on time. So meet Erica. She leads a team of engineers, and she is planning their next sprint. Before, Erica juggled roadmap docs, sprint boards, Post-its, you name it. With Monday Dev's hierarchy view, now Erica has everything in one place, from high-level initiatives all the way down to those tactical execution pieces. She can see how her team's work connects directly to company goals, track progress, and prioritize with clarity. No more guessing, no toggling, just strategy turning into shipped impact. And when it comes to sprint planning, Erica doesn't juggle spreadsheets or Slack threads. The Sprint Capacity Planner gives her a data-driven view of workloads, so she balances velocity, availability, and scope in minutes. This makes planning fast, accurate, and fair for her team. And during the sprint, my personal favorite ceremony, daily stand-ups, are meant to be quick syncs to refocus the team. But as I'm sure everyone knows, more often than not, they just turn into everyone trying to remember what happened yesterday. With Monday Dev's AI daily stand-up, all of that chaos is gone. Managers like Erica get clear, structured updates, plus AI suggestions for what to tackle next. Now stand-ups aren't just meetings. They're smart syncs that move the team forward. And a few days in, we notice something's off. Stories are staying open, stand-ups are starting to feel vague. We know that tasks are stuck, but where? Before Monday Dev, Erica had to dig through GitHub, chase down some PRs, maybe just ask around. But by the time she found out where that blocker was, the sprint was over. Now, with the engineering performance dashboard, she gets real-time visibility. She sees what's stuck, why, and unblocks fast. Managers aren't just tracking velocity. They're speeding it up in real time. And when the sprint ends, Erica gets an instant AI-generated summary. In seconds, she sees how the team performed, what was committed and completed, and AI-suggested next steps. The AI sprint summary gives managers clear data to make smarter calls, coach their teams, and drive real business value. And finally, the pièce de résistance, our X-ray view. A true game changer for managers. It gives instant AI-powered insight into team strength and performance. So say you need a back-end developer. Well, just ask. The AI shows who's strongest and where their expertise lies. Assigning the right people just got a whole lot faster and easier. And it's not just for planning. When leaders see their team's strengths, they have the ability to also drive growth and development by drilling down into each team member's skills. With Monday Dev, performance, growth, and development all live in one system. Our customers like Callbox, a US-based technology company, are already seeing the benefits of moving away from those outdated tools and embracing a connected, agile workflow. Since adopting Monday Dev, leadership visibility has helped them to decrease bugs by a whopping 66%. They've been able to improve product deliverability, predictability, and ensure that every single line of code is contributing directly to the business success. So we've seen how developers move faster than ever, with full context and the power of AI, and how managers get the visibility they need to guide their teams to success. But here's an important question for you all. How many business team members are in the audience? Do we have anyone from marketing here? All right, we got a couple. What about sales? Anyone from sales? All right, okay. Is there anyone from finance? Oh, so many finance people. We love that. Okay, perfect. Let's see how Monday Dev connects engineering excellence with the rest of the org. For too long, development has moved in its own world. Fast sprints in one language, while the business tracks progress in another. And the result? Lost progress with stale updates and engineers writing reports instead of code. With our new hybrid portfolio solution, that disconnect completely disappears. Now engineering managers can sync Epic's progress straight into the same portfolio view that go-to-market and leadership are already using. Dev teams stay in Monday Dev, stakeholders get those live updates they've been craving, and everyone speaks the same language. Finally, it's visibility without disruption, alignment without friction. Because for most teams, the biggest blockers aren't going to be technical. They're misaligned priorities. Developers chase what feels urgent, while sales is losing deals over missing features. Monday Dev makes the connection crystal clear. It shows which features are blocking revenue, who is waiting on them, and the real cost of that next delay. Now, every developer knows why their work matters, and every stakeholder, from sales to finance, gets real-time clarity on product progress and risk. So the business can close more deals faster. So you've seen how Monday Dev transforms how teams build, from friction to fast AI-powered execution, from chaos to leadership clarity, from siloed work to seamless alignment within the business. This isn't just about building faster. It's about building with purpose, with every person, process, and agent driving the business forward. And it starts today. We can't wait to see what you all take it to. Head over to the Monday Dev booth to explore our new AI-powered features live and start building what's next today. And before you all leave, one last note. When you get back to the office, please find a developer, give them a hug, and encourage them to move to Monday Dev. Thank you all for your time today.